Hi guys, so today I have this new set brought to HSN by Diamond Press. They did send those items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you guys for using them, if you can or if you'd like to. So this is the recipe tin kits called Holiday Cheer, and I have been very curious to see this cutie in real life here. I believe it's going to be possibly demoed by Suzanne for one of her Suzanne Gets Crafty. You know, I'll have that info in the description box if that's the case for the time, and they're on HSN. But for now, look at that cute. Let's open this up and check it out. I know it's available now on HSN. So on the very top we have our little tin. Of course, it says Happy Holidays. I'll give you a quick measurement here. It is like 6 1/4 inches by about just over 4 inches and about 5 inches tall. Oh, look at this cute little place you can put whatever you like, a little placard, label, whatever it is. Oh, I was trying to pop it up like for it to come off. It's hinged, of course. There you go. And let's see all these goodies in here. Oh, little cute paper clips that are in different shapes. We'll check those out in just a minute here. Let's open this up. So, okay, so we have those decorative paper clips. Really sweet, and they're placed on here so they're not just like jumbled up. I don't know if you can tell, they're like on this carrier, which is really nice. And there's like 4 little snowflakes and 5 little Christmas trees. And okay, these are the dividers, of course. Oh, look at the stamps. I love that they're on wood blocks. Such an old school feel, so cute. Wrap it with twine. Oh, this is adorable. I'm gonna have to take it apart, but okay. I'll open that up. I don't want to pick at it. I can see it's like a little knot, so to open up, we'll get that going. Oh, cool. There's, of course, several different ones. Let me open this up right now. I'll be right back. Okay, I just got into the knot and pulled up, and it came right apart there. So cute. So we have 4 different tabs, and there are 3 of each. So of course, once you've done, you know, the first one, the middle, next one, the last, then you do again the first one, then a middle, you know, the 2 middle ones, and last. So you have several sections you can partition out. They have foiling on them, blank on the back. Happy Holidays. So those would be our little dividers. So I'm just going to place those in there. And then, oh cool, as you can see on the top, there's different types of, or different styles of the recipe card itself. And again, I'll just show you, I kind of just poked in here until I got into the knot and then just let it come apart right there. So cute with the twine. What a great like gift, because it's just packaged so nicely already. So, okay, we're on directions. Let's look at it this way, I suppose. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And we have our little Santa there. Let me get the lighting down here and let me close up a little bit more. Okay, recipe, prep time, cook time, notes from the kitchen, ingredients, and then nice weight cardstock. And on the back it has for directions. And there are several of each of these. Of course, in the links, the item description will give you more about that. Okay, now this one's the other way. I wanted to show you the front and then the back. Happy Holidays. Again, same kind of info there with the ingredients. Aw, from the kitchen, and then you can put your name or whoever's name. If it's like a handed-out recipe, that'd be really sweet. Directions. Oh, okay. There you go. This one has the little snowflakes on the side, recipe from the kitchen of, and then ingredients, directions. And this one here with the Happy Holidays, different colors, recipe from the kitchen of, ingredients. Done a little bit differently than some of the others. So cute. So let's look at the stamps. I'm just gonna cover that away there. So we have these words here so that basically you can label your dividers, right? Mine will probably be pretty much all desserts and cookies. I do have some breakfast things. Actually, yesterday when I went grocery shopping, I picked up some stuff I haven't used in a while to make like a kind of like a fake quiche, I guess. But you just put croissant roll dough and then you saute. Oh, what's it called? Like ground sausage, you know, like that tube, basically. And then you can add some spices with it if you would like sage or something, or buy the one that already has sage. And then you scramble some eggs, and I believe it's cheese, eggs, that crumbled up sausage. You pour it on top and you bake it. If there's something else missing, I don't remember what it was, but maybe it's some salt and pepper or something. So good, so I bought all the stuff for that. But again, it's like a quick kind of breakfast that everyone loves. So, all right, we have cookies. Desserts. It's like a red rubber. It has more of a firm plastic kind of feel. There they are with breakfast, appetizers, entrees, soups, and salads. So again, you would just take that and stamp it with a little doop, whatever it is on the divider here. Actually, I should leave those out just so I can get these guys. And these are like just little cute kind of label pieces. How cute is that? I wonder if they match up. So yeah, so if you want to decorate even around there, you have that. I mean, put it on a tag, do whatever it is that you like with it. We have kind of like an oval, little kind of more stylized shape with like the little pointy edges here, a rectangle, rounded edges, and then the little stub kind of rectangle. We have Merry Christmas. Oh, this is so cute, just like on an envelope, you know? Really sweet. And we have like little background stars, word holiday cheer, this really cute, just kind of like doodled almost holly, warm and cozy. And then we have our Santa and of course the star of the show for me, the gingerbread man. Oh, it's so cute. And he's like a complete one. So it's not the outline of him, so you can stamp it in like brown or whatever color you would like. And you have that going. And then this guy too, he's got it's, you know, his beard is in full, and then the detail in his face is lines. So if you stamp it in black, you know, it's going to look like this very much. And then a little candy cane. So sweet. So what I'm going to do is maybe grab some markers, show you how maybe I would fill this in. And I'll write down a peanut brittle recipe, which is basically the same I think everybody uses. But I will be right back. Okay, so I just have a white gel pen. I chose this red card to write, and I like to add coconut to my peanut brittle. It's something that I remember buying at Casa de Fruta. It's like on the way to the Bay Area from the Central Valley. If you ever stop by there, I highly recommend it. Love hanging out there. They have like a train to take the kids around, and it's just a really cool place. But theirs has, I think, almonds, peanuts, and coconut. But for now, we'll just do a little something different, add a little coconut. So I'm just going to write this out. So I'll just say it is Vianney's peanut brittle, even though, you know. So let's just Vianney's peanut brittle. But of course it has coconut, and that's what makes it mine, I suppose, since I've switched out basically what most people will use is the whole amount of peanuts for a little bit of coconut. Okay, so you know, this is my own thing. I could just write my name. I'll just do it like that. And since I don't ever write my name nicely, I usually just scribble it. It's hard for me to remember how to write it all out in cursive. There we go. And ingredients. So this is super basic. It's 1 cup sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and write it all out, and I'll show it to you guys in a minute, but I'm going to write this out. And then with the sugar, we're doing the corn syrup and water, so it's 1/2 cup light. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just going to write this part out. Okay, guys. So you get the gist. It looks like it. You can write down about 10 ingredients, at least on this one. This one has like a slot for like 6. So, you know, depending on, maybe that's how you select which one you use on how many ingredients. If you had more than that, you can of course put a couple of ingredients on each line. However it is that you would like to do that. Let me see what the other one has. This one has room for 8. And this one has room for 10 also. So if I had thought ahead, you know, like, okay, I have 8 ingredients, I could have used one of these other ones. And I was going to say a pinch of salt optional. So for me, it's pretty much necessary just to get that little salt to balance out the sweet, and just helps it kind of pop. And then on the back, of course, I would write out the instructions, and I'll just let you guys take a peek at my batch. And this makes about like a half pan. Super easy, and just follow along any recipe that you do brittle. So basically you're gonna boil, sorry about that, FedEx delivery. Yeah, so you just take these first 3 things in a heavy bottom pan. Some people like to use a cast iron pan. Just heat it up and let it keep cooking down until it's about 280 degrees with a candy thermometer. Then I throw in the peanuts and then sweetened coconut. Some people put the butter in it this time, however you like. Some people put the butter at the end. So you want to get to 310. And if you haven't put the butter in yet with these peanuts until it gets to 310, you're going to put it in with a little bit of vanilla extract and some baking soda and mix it, and let it puff up, and then pour it in a pan, you know, baking sheet or however that's already been buttered or greased or panned, however you would like, and just let it spread out. I don't squish it down so it stays nice and fluffy. When you bite it, it doesn't break your teeth, so it's good stuff. Again, if you want to put the pinch of salt, you would put it in with these other things. And I'll write all those things out. And what I'm going to do is just stamp, I think, a little Santa Claus over here, just to give you an idea of that. And then maybe we'll stamp the word like dessert over here. Now you can definitely use a pigment ink, like a white pigment ink or gold or something like that. It'd be really fun. I'm going to stamp both of these things in black ink. So let me grab my VersaFine ink. I'll be right back. Sorry, a little Matt got in the close up there. Again, pigment inks, you know, maybe seal them with some embossing powder, however that you like to do that. I'm just going to ink this guy up. I'm using my stamp pad. Ooh, look at that. Nice and flat. It just took the color real quick. If you get a little ink on the corners like that, you can wipe it away if you feel like you might get it on your project, but just be careful. I'm just going to stamp him here. I'm using this because it is a red or a rubber stamp or whatever this material is here. I just want to make sure that I get a good push back here. So I'm really going to push down on that guy. Oh, you know what? I probably didn't have to push it that hard because it was pretty nice and flat and it really stamps really well. There he is, just a little something. And then for this guy, desserts. My whole thing will be desserts. I do make a lot of like sheet kind of desserts or like cookies, so I guess I can do that then. But I'm just looking at where that is on there. Just going to stamp on this divider. Oh, you know what? Let me put it in my eye line because I can't really see what I'm doing. Right there. Stamps really nice and clear. And so there's that. Let me grab one more thing. Move these things to the side. This is just a little bit of my peanut brittle I made the other day that Doran's been eating like it's his job. I think this is what's left. I had 2 jars basically. So, you know, if you break it up, you'll get like 2, what is pint-sized jars? I think that's pint. I'm not sure. So, super cute if you popped a little hole on that and added it, you know, as a gift, and then you have the recipe, or your the person who receives it will have the recipe. You can put the little clippy on there, maybe put some twine and then clip it to the twine. That'd be very cute too. Or of course, keep just super adorable. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little recipe and you know, an idea of how I might use these. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, they're now available there on HSN. I'll have the links in the description box. Thank you so much, Die Press, for sending these items for review. I mean, think about the sticker packs that we have. You know, that huge 100-piece sticker pack that Die Press put out. You can pop some here and there. I mean, we have plenty of stuff in here. I'll definitely reuse this. You can use that to help you tie your recipes to your gifts. And thanks for watching, guys. I put this away. I went ahead and separated the cards out, you know, in these different spots. Actually, that one does not go there. And just wanted to show you that, you know how the stamps are in here kind of nice and tight, they will not fall out. So it's really nice if you can place them back in there and you'll always have them there ready to go and to decorate with. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.